My mom always said life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
Hi, welcome to Alan Chong Idea Art. Thank you for continue support my YouTube channel. Today, I would like to paint a portrait, a celebrity I like the most. He is Tom Hanks. Tom Hanks, full name Thomas Jeffrey Hanks, is an American actor and filmmaker, known for both his comedic and dramatic roles. Hanks is one of the most popular and recognized film stars worldwide, and he is regarded as an American cultural icon. He won 2 consecutive Academy Awards for Best Actor for starring as a gay lawyer suffering from AIDS in Philadelphia, 1993, and a young man with below average IQ in Forrest Gump, 1994. Hanks collaborated with film director Steven Spielberg on 5 films: Saving Private Ryan, 1998, Catch Me If You Can, 2002, The Terminal, 2004, Bridge of Spies, 2015, and The Post, 2017, as well as the 2001 miniseries Band of Brothers, which launches him as a director, producer, and screenwriter. Okay, let me start the portrait painting now. For those still not yet subscribe my YouTube channel, please click it now. As usual, I will start from pencil sketch and complete the portrait with poster color. Start now. I start follow Tom Hanks from this movie, Forrest Gump. Forrest Gump is a 1994 American epic romantic comedy drama film. Besides the story, I also like the Forrest Gump quotes. My mama always say, life was like a box of chocolate. You never know what you're gonna get. Forrest. The second Forrest Gump quote is run, Forrest run. For me, there are 2 meanings in this quote. Run from the dangerous and keep running until success. Phantom Hand Portrait Painting. Thank you for watching my video, my painting. I will continue make a good video for you. Write down your comment, give me your suggestion. Goodbye. See you again.